So today I'm going to share with you a microwave pumpkin muffin recipe that I use a lot. I use it as my mid-morning snack. It is very easy to make. It has 15 grams of protein and just over like 100 calories. So this is week 3 of the 10 pounds down challenge in our clinic. And this week we've been talking about smart snacking. So that is just how to use small, structured portions so that you steady your hunger and your mind throughout the day. Because when you know you have a planned snack coming up, it becomes so much easier to stay consistent and to stay calm. So this is my pumpkin muffin. I really like the microwave method of making this because it gives me an exact amount of protein that I want to get. So this, like I said, has 15 grams of protein. Plus, it's really quite big. So I will cut it in half and I use a little sugar-free jam on this, but sometimes I add a few walnuts. I'm sure you could probably add some sugar-free chocolate chips to it as well, and that would be like delicious. It's a very simple recipe. So you will need a quarter cup of pure pumpkin. You're going to need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice mix, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, 1 tablespoon of whey protein powder. I use plain whey protein powder, and I put a dash of molasses in it. Now that's completely optional. Then you're going to mix all this stuff together. You're going to get a nice deep mug and you're going to microwave it for 3.5 minutes. There is really no one size fits all approach when it comes to snacking or weight loss. And this is really important to remember because we are not all the same emotionally or physically. Some women do best with 3 solid meals a day, and some do best with planned snacks, 1 or 2 snacks a day. Now, I'm a morning person, so I get up really early and I do better when I have a mid-morning snack. And it took me years to accept this because instead of listening to my own body, I was always trying to follow someone else's advice. When I started to listen to my own body and added that snack in the morning, my whole day was better. And the key is that I added the snack in before I got too hungry. And once I corrected that first part of my day, everything else became so much easier. And I have witnessed this with countless clients. So maybe you are like me and you get up early, you might need that mid-morning snack. Or maybe you're like a lot of other people I coach and your tough time is the mid-afternoon, maybe between 3 and 4, just before you get home from work. It doesn't really matter. Listen to your body and do what works for you. You don't have to white knuckle your way through hunger. You just have to strategically place a portion controlled snack and it will not impact your weight loss. Hi, I'm Vi, a health and nutrition coach and a weight loss clinic manager. And most of my clients are women and they are in or almost in menopause. And at this point in our life, we need a different approach to weight loss. And that's exactly why I built structure and flexibility into my Smart Servings plan. And if you'd like to know more about the Smart Servings plan, you can visit my website. The link is in the description below. And you will also find the recipe for my muffin there as well.